Today's top tip, creating events in your diary. If you click on the diary slot where you want to book the event in, and then select the diary event option at the top, this will open up the diary event screen. So give your event a name. I'm going to do Intro to Pilates, and my event type is Pilates. Now you'll see it pulls through the diary user, the location and the department all for me, and I can change these as well if I want to. And then if we have a specific room, I can choose that one to book the event into. You'll see it's pulled through the date and time and the duration. Now we can manually change the duration here, so I'm going to change it to an hour. We can link that to our event type as well, so when you're setting up your events like you do your appointment types, you can give them durations that will automatically change here too. This section here is used for billing, so if it was a company paying for a number of their employees to attend, you may want to use this section to bill the company directly rather than the individuals. There's the option to add some notes, and we also have that repeat button, so if it's an event that's going to repeat the same time, same day, every week for the next 10 weeks, you may want to use the repeat button and repeat the event. Adding your attendees, so you can see here we've got a maximum and minimum number of attendees. So I'm going to say that my maximum is 12, but I also need a minimum of 4 in order to run the class. It tells you your current number of attendees, and then your attendees will be listed here. So to add them in, we search for them. So I'm going to search for someone in my system. Let's go with Alison. So Alison wants to go onto my Pilates class list, so I just select add to list, and you'll see it's added Alison to the list for me. And you just build up your list like that, and you'll see it's also got the number that are attending at the moment, so it's just the 1. So if I say OK, you'll see now it's added Pilates into my diary. It's told me the name of the group, so Intro to Pilates, and it tells me that I've got 11 spaces remaining. That's today's top tip.